Nvidia and AMD are racing to stockpile graphics cards ahead of a proposed tariff that could spike prices by 40%. That's not just a price increase, that's a workout for your wallet. You think inflation is bad now? Wait until you're paying more for a GPU than you did for your car. Forget gaming PC master race, it's becoming the mortgage my house master race. These GPUs aren't just for gaming anymore. They're not even just for cryptocurrency miners. Nope, they've become the lifeblood of AI. Every tech company is hoarding GPUs like they're the last rolls of toilet paper during a pandemic. AI training eats GPUs for breakfast, and lunch, and dinner. It's like an insatiable toddler on a sugar high. More GPUs, more. Meanwhile, Nvidia and AMD are back there trying to keep up like short-order cooks during the lunch rush. Who ordered 500 GPUs for training ChatGPT? Oh, and another 1,000 for some guy building his own Skynet. And now, throw in a tariff that could raise GPU prices by 40%, and it's chaos. The executives at Nvidia and AMD are probably running around like, quick, pack the GPUs before the tariffs hit. It's like the tech version of Indiana Jones. Instead of the Ark of the Covenant, they're rushing to secure pallets of RTX 4090s. A 40% tariff? At that point, AI will become a luxury hobby. Oh, you're training neural networks? Fancy. I'm still using my Pentium 2 to play solitaire. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Remember, in the world of tech, the real GPU upgrade you need is patience.